Most hiking emergencies start with a bad decision hours before the actual injury ever happens. If you suspect you are lost, stop walking immediately. Continuing to move usually leads you further off trail and massively complicates the search area for rescuers. Rescue teams cannot find you if nobody knows you are missing. Leaving a detailed trip plan with a reliable friend is the single most effective survival tool you possess. Never count on cell service for rescue. Most beginner trails have dead zones, and cold weather drains phone batteries in minutes. Keep your phone in airplane mode to preserve GPS function. Forget about bear attacks. Prepare for the real threats. Hypothermia, lower leg injuries, and dehydration cause the vast majority of distress calls on day hikes. You do not need a surgical kit. Carry blister pads, ibuprofen, and athletic tape for twisted ankles. These simple items solve 90% of the problems that actually stop hikers. Set a hard turnaround time before you leave the car. If you have not reached your destination by that time, you turn back. No exceptions, no matter how close the summit looks. If you are immobile, 3 loud whistle blasts is the universal distress signal. It travels much further than yelling and saves your energy for staying warm while you wait. Make safety a habit, not an afterthought. Before every hike, verify these 4 layers of protection to ensure you make it home. Plan ahead, stay safe, and enjoy the hike.